Okay, so I'm going to show you a feature in Windows that will protect your folders from malicious programs and ransomware, whatever. So this is not a new feature in Windows. It's been here since Windows 7, I think. But it's better to have it on than not. I mean, Microsoft I don't think they will make something that doesn't work. So let's just go to Start. Type in controlled folder access. Open that one, so it will be off. All you have to do is just switch it on. So if you go to protected folders, it will automatically include some folders here. So like your documents, videos, music, favorites, whatever. So if you want to include a folder, like I've included Google Drive, you can just click on add a protected folder and choose your folder. So if you go now, let's just show you an example. Virus threat protection, you go to protected history. You can actually see the ones that was blocked before. So every time you install something that Windows finds a bit risky, it will block it, and you can manually then allow it. Clicking on it, actions, and then allow on device. If you're sure it's a legit program. So yeah, just switch it on, it's better.